regulatory submission is a series of documents submitted by a drug sponsor to a regulatory authority, FDA, as evidence of compliance. Before the start of clinical trials or drug marketing, regulators require three categories of regulatory submissions: investigational new drugs, IND, new drug application, NDA, or biologics license applications, BLA, and abbreviated new drug application, ANDA. To begin, an investigational new drug application, IND, is a request from a clinical trial sponsor to the FDA for authorization to administer an investigational drug or biological product to humans. Animal pharmacology and toxicology studies, manufacturing information, clinical protocols, and investigator information are typically included in the IND application. Commitments are also made to obtain informed consent from research subjects, to have the study reviewed by an institutional review board, IRB, and to follow the investigational new drug regulations. A new drug application, NDA, is the formal process by which a drug sponsor seeks FDA approval for the sale and marketing of a new pharmaceutical in the United States. The data collected during the animal studies and human clinical trials of an IND become part of the NDA. Similarly, the Biologics License Application, BLA, is a request for permission to introduce or deliver a biologic product for introduction into interstate commerce. A BLA is submitted by any legal person or entity engaged in manufacture or an applicant for a license who accepts responsibility for compliance with product and establishment standards. An abbreviated new drug application, ANDA, contains data that is submitted to the FDA for review and possible approval of a generic drug product. Generic drug applications are termed abbreviated because they are not required to include preclinical and clinical data to establish safety and efficacy. Instead, generic applicants must scientifically demonstrate that their product performs in the same way as the innovator drug. Once approved, an applicant may manufacture and market the generic drug product to provide a safe, effective, lower-cost alternative to the innovator drug product it references in dosage form, strength, route of administration, quality, performance characteristics, and intended use.